Hello, this is Shree for Just Nailed It, and we are doing a money collaboration here on Money Nails. It's with me and Tammy's Manicure, Tammy's Manis. I have started. I did the pinky and the thumbnail. We are going to, let me go with the polish. It is by Beauty. It is number P368. There we go. Love, love, love this brand. This is the US brand of Junkie. So check them out on Amazon. We are, of course, going to do a sugar nail. That should just be a given. I'm going to go in with the glue gel by She Modern. I use this for a lot of things. So we're going to put a liberal amount on the nail. You want your nail fully covered. Make sure you get your sides really well. Fan that brush out. Stick this in the lamp 30 to 60 seconds, as long as you don't knock it over like I just did. So cure that. And we're going to jump over here to the money nails. Here are my money stickers. So we are going to do some of this. Let me see. Let's get old George up here. George Washington, the founder of our country. Put him down here at the bottom of the nail. We're going to get us some stacks of ones. Whoopsie. Trying to center that. Let's get us some more dollar bills here. Gotta have your bills. There we go. I'm going to be putting something here in the center. I can't tell you what yet. I'll show you uno momento. Well, probably more uno. We get the fig leaf going here. Put that at the top of my nail. Let me take a gander. I think we're going to get some coin. Put that down below George Washington. Whoops. Trying to fake. Whoops. Oh boy. We got a star stuck to me. Oy vey. This thing is so tiny and I cannot see it to save my life. So we'll forget about the stars for right now because I can't see it. Can't see it. Oops. I could not see. There's a little one over here. I think this is probably a penny. We're going to jump back to the sugar nail because it is ready. I'm using the Green Hollow Sugar Crush by She Modern. This is no longer available. This was a limited time edition. And this has got a free pouring spout, which I don't like. So you gotta kind of move quickly a little bit. And with the free pouring spout, unfortunately, you waste product. And get my nail, my tip, my sidewalls. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to push this down into the glue. Tap, tap, tap. I stick these always back in the lamp when I'm doing like a glitter nail, a sugar nail. It helps adhere it back into the glue just a little bit better. That's my belief. Okay. Let me go back in with this nail. They're going to be kind of random. None of them are going to match. I don't intend for them to. Gotta give us some cash up going up here. Let me show you up close and personal the ones I've done so far. Now, like I said, there's going to be something here and something in the center here. So until then, we're just going to randomly place some stickers. What do we got over there? Old George. Let's put Old George on this one too. There we go. We got Old George. Let's start building our money. Start building our money. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell so you get notified of all future videos. And don't forget to go sub to Tammy's channel as well if you haven't already. She does a lot of beautiful, beautiful nail art. Plus she shows us her chickens every now and again. Gotta love that. I love seeing the chickens. I really do. She got some babies and they're growing oh so quickly. Oh so quickly. Just like little kids. Turn your head and the next thing you know they're graduating, and turn your head again, they've moved out, and it's just crazy how time flies. Whoops. There we go. Just a little bit of coin right there. Pardon moi, one momento. Pardon moi. Had to answer a text message really quick. There's got all kinds of money going on here. All kinds. I'm glad these are stickers. I really am. I so am. That way I ain't gotta mess with builder gel or anything like that. Okay, I think. Let me take a quick think and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I've had my think. We are finished pretty much with our nails except for two little objects, which I'm going to hold on with some Model 1's rhinestone glue. And I have made two little spinners, two little money spinners. Let's see. See if I can get them to sit right. I think these are so super cute. So I'm gonna put these on with the end of my wax picker wrapper. Trying to get me a decent amount here. Alright, alright, alright. Where's my other end? Whoopsie. Okay. I am now going to get my little flashlight. Try to get in frame doing this, and I'm going to adhere rhinestone glue with my nail, with my little flashlight here. Trying to give this a flash freeze, and then I can stick her in the lamp. Guess I shouldn't have that right next to that. That's for certain. That is for certain. So the index and the ring finger will have the money spinner. Alright, alright, alright. Get my trusty flashlight out. Give this a flash freeze. Quickie. Just so that the spinner is set in place. I'm going to turn my nail. I will be popping these in the lamp, but I just want to make sure they're set first. So let me pop these in really quick, and we are going to top coat. Now for my top coat, I'm using IGL Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. It's one of my faves. My fave I'm out of, but I love this. This is a high gloss. Love me a glossy top coat. I think this mani turned out really cute. Cute, cute, cute. Really, really cute. Don't forget to stop by Tammy's Manis for her video. You definitely want to check out and see what she did. Now I am going to top coat this nail. There we go for that one. A little moss. A little moss. Almost done. There we go. We are going to pop these in the lamp, give them a full cure, which means 60 seconds depending on your lamp. I'm going in for the full 60. And we'll be back. Here are our money nails fresh out of the lamp, and we have our sugar nail right here, which is really beautiful. We just have one slight problem. Evidently I put too much rhinestone glue on because my spinners, they turn, but they're not spinning freely. And that really bums me out. That was like the highlight of my manicure, was spinners. And I put too much. Yeah, unfortunately. I'm really sorry about that. I was so excited about, I love to make a spinner. Love having them on a manicure. Oopsie. It's a big oopsie. Well, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my money nails. I think they turned out great, except for my little boo-boo. My boo-boo. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Make sure you head over to Tammy's channel. Check out her manicure. I will have her link pinned down in the comments, the first one, so you can go there and check it out. Subscribe to her channel, leave her a comment that I sent you. Excuse me. I think these turned out really sweet, even if the spinners don't spin. I think they got personality. Lots of personality. No bling this time. No bling. Well, that is all for today. We will see you next time. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.